Ever tried to edit mocap data? It's a nightmare. Thousands of keyframes, massive file sizes, and totally impossible to customize. To fix this, we built Trimotion. Trimotion optimizes your animations by intelligently deleting useless keyframes. It makes your animation lightweight, optimized, and finally customizable. Look at this character. It's loaded with mocap data. As you can see, the timeline is a total mess. Now watch this. When I select the rig, the Trimotion panel shows me the info. Look at that. Over 176,000 keyframes. For a deeper look, you can hit Analyze Animation. Down in the simplification settings, we have 5 methods and 5 strength levels. For most animations, the default setup is fine. I'm just going to hit Simplify. Look at that. The timeline is clean, all the junk keys are gone, but the animation is still smooth. And now we have many fewer keyframes. Here's the before, and here's the after. Now you can actually get in there and start customizing. The plugin also comes with a file, so you can study all the methods and find the perfect setting for your project. Take back control of your animations. Get Trimotion. Thanks for watching.